The latest travel update about COVID-19 here in UK is that you are allowed to go from one place to another place, but the conditions is you cannot stay more than one day in one place. Therefore, I am going to walk around this beautiful Seven Sister Cliffs. It's here in Sussex in England. Let's go and walk. I'm excited to see how the view is gonna be. I mean, the view from here, absolutely. I think I'm gonna die now. Seven Sisters Cliffs is a series of chalk cliffs by the English Channel, a must-visit travel destination in England. The place is named after the famous 7 peaks of chalk on one of Britain's finest unspoiled coastlines, and the best way to experience this incredible landscape is by walking. Today, my challenge is to start walking from Seaford town and reach this old Beachy Head lighthouse, which is about 15 km, and return back to Seaford station. So I have to complete almost 30 km walk today. And make no mistake, walking on this coastal path might seem easy, but the slope of continuous up and down could be tiring physical task, especially after this lockdown when your body is not so much physically active. Today, 1 week worth of cardio is done, guys. This is so slow. It's almost like a vertical. And just to climb this one cliff, I'm sweating like a pig. Another highlight of this beautiful coastline is the estuary of Cuckmere River and the English channels at Cuckmere Haven. I guess you've been familiar with these backgrounds already, right? The cottage, and right behind that is the Seven Sister Cliffs. So this is the wallpaper from your Windows operating system. This is the famous junction point for Cuckmere River and the English Channel. So this one is the fresh water, and that's a sea water, salty water. The thing is, to go other side, there is no bridge. The only options to go the Seven Sister Cliffs is that way. Do you see? So I think I have to do the same. So I guess I have to wait while these guys cross the bridge as well. So there's a queue just to cross this tiny bridge over there. During this COVID-19 situations, you have to queue up for every single thing. That's it. Just stay in queue. So this is the thing about the chalk stone, white chalk stone, is that this white chalk stone is so fragile and so soft. This cliff is getting reduced few centimeters every year. All the surface is white chalk. So basically, during the winter time or rainy season, this place might be really slippery. It's better to wear some safety shoes if you are walking around here. This could be your ideal countryside for a getaway from the hassle of the city, to enjoy outdoor activities and sunbathing. I mean, I'm surprised to see how many people are coming out. Probably they're, sitting down at home and feeling bored. Okay guys, do you see this bird right here? I think he's trying to just stable in one place. Now finally he's moving. What's up, buddy? What's up, guys? I know it's boring, right? I understand. This lockdown is killing us, man. Right? And this is really far. So if you are coming here in Seven Sister Cliff, get ready and prepared. Come prepared to walk a lot. I've just arrived here in William Charles Memorial. It means I'm just halfway there. I just have to reach over there, still halfway to go. The one thing that is really missing in my travel is adventure and challenges. I've been constantly thinking about it. I think when the thing goes back to normal, I'm gonna probably add those challenges in each journey so that it sounds more interesting and more fun to watch as well. So that's my upcoming plans. So that's the lighthouse I'm gonna show you guys, and then that is the end for today. So this is the finishing point for today. It's so hot now after walking for such a long time. I'm so hungry. This is what I need now. I'm sweating so much. My entire face tastes like salt. Yep, my face tastes like salt.
The peeping on the edge of the cliffs is so scary, it will make you realize the value of fear and not to take life for granted. No matter what the issue is, whether it's your hectic lifestyle or the panic of COVID-19 pandemic, everything will be alright and we will go back to normal again. Life is a beautiful gift, so let's not waste it. Instead, let's enjoy the moment.
So guys, please don't forget to like, comment and tell me what challenge should I do next. And I'm super excited for the next few episodes because the thing's gonna go normal now. Until the next one, have a great day. It's almost 8 o'clock, 8 p.m. and I'm still walking. So as you can see, I'm walking all day. All my body is aching, especially this part. I don't know what is this part called, but this is really painful and my ankle is hurting so much. Well, welcome to challenge. But today was a fun day actually.